Hey, so today we're gonna look at the US 30, where it is trending. And of course today is July 13th, 2021. Alright, so on this beautiful Tuesday, we're just gonna do a top-down analysis starting from the monthly. And so for the month, we are trending upward because overall the US 30 has been trending upward, alright? And so which is really awesome. All right, so we already have our trend line there. All right, and so let's go ahead and look at the weekly chart to see where we are for this week here and see where it's trending. Okay, and so we do have sort of like a doji there, right? Right now, and so it is still trending upward. All right, and so let's see here. Going to the daily chart. All right, and so for the daily chart for today, the market has begun to kind of trend downward. All right, so for today, all right, and so that's where we are currently. But overall, the market has been trending upward. All right, and so as you see here, this line here, which is our, let's see here, let's see, which is that? No, that's our 50. All right, so that's our 50 there because this is our 200 down here. So this is our 50 line here. And so 2 days ago, it did hit this area here on the 50 and began moving upward. And so we do for today have that bearish candle there. All right, so the market is trending downward for today. So let's look at it on a 4-hour chart just to see where we are for the last 4 hours of the day. Let's see here. Oh, we have like multiple dojis at this point for the 4-hour chart. So we see where the market is beginning to signal that the market is, let's see here, moving downward for today. All right, and it is an area of consolidation as well with those dojis on the 4 hours. So the market should be trending in that upward trend again. So this is just our retracement at this point. All right, so we see where the market kind of tested this area right here for the 50 and then went back up and then it began trending down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get our trend line here. We're just going to start right here. See where we are here. All right, so still looking at that upward trend there, we see that we do have those dojis there, spinning top dojis there, a little break in the line since we did put the trend line there. And so let's go ahead and do something different here. There we are. Tighten it up a little bit. All right, so it did break that trend line from this area here, all right? All right, and so let's do this. Let's see here. So that is the 4-hour chart there. Let me see here. All right, and so we do have our drawn our zones here. I have this zone drawn and this up here drawn, all right? Because I know with this area over here, when you look at this area over here, this is where price moved upward for a higher high. Then you got your higher low, higher high, going down to your higher low here. All right, is what we're doing here, which should equal this area here. All right, so your higher low should meet this area to be the same as this over here and then move upward. And so we are seeing that here. And so with this, let's go over to our 1-hour chart to see what's going on. And we're actually on the 4-hour chart here. Let's see what's going on in there. as we can see here, price did move here into the zone area. All right, on the 1 hour chart, and then price began to actually exhaust in this area as well. We see what we have, this candle here in this area here, and then let's go over to the 5-minute chart. In this area here on the 5-minute chart, as you see here, we have our trend line that we've already drawn from the 4 hour. And then as you see here, price did move to the zone. We had that bullish engulfing candle there. Price moved upward. It retested the trend line, moved back down. And so the next step, what should happen is that price should break through and then retest the trend line and then come back upward on the 5-minute chart. So that's what we're waiting on at this point of the game with the US 30. So if you can have that quote sniper entry, as they say, or more precise entry, so that you can maximize your profits and most definitely minimize your losses. So that is my top-down analysis for the US 30, and I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you have a beautiful day, most definitely, and see you later. And hopefully you will subscribe, like, and share so that I can bring you more valuable videos and help more people in the markets, most definitely, if you are a new trader, because I really focus on new traders, so that you can learn the markets, most definitely. All right, have an awesome day. Bye.